walking man, the walking man walks, will any other man stops?
Well, good morning. I'm out here at the Benbrook trail today. We're gonna head out here in just a little bit, and had never been on this trail. I kind of know where it is and know about it a little bit, but we're gonna explore today and get out in nature and see some things, and hopefully take some good pictures and maybe miss the rain. I hope. It looks like it's clouded up a little bit, so maybe we'll miss it. So. Made it this far so far. This starts goes back into the woods here, nature trail. This came back off of where it came from is off the road that comes by the marina over here by Benbrook Lake. There's a little bit of a part of this trail that you have to walk along the road, but it's all off of the road and safe. So anyway, this is I'm gonna start by going into nature here and see what we can find. Well, I had to stop for a little break. I found myself kind of drifted off the nature trail and got up here on this little hill that overlooks the lake. It's a real nice view. I'll show you some of that. And there's a little picnic table up here on top of this hill. There's a place to tie your horses up, take a break. I thought I'd stop and have me a little bit of bite to eat and some water. Anyway, and get back to it here in a little bit. I've gone about a mile into it already, and I'll try to get at least 2 miles today, maybe 3, and then turn around and go back. So that'll be a pretty good little hike. Mosquitoes are starting to bother me up here. It's going to get real steamy, I think, here in a little bit. So I'm probably not going to stay out too long. It's too hot. I don't like it when it gets humid. It really drains you pretty quick. So. Everybody stay cool today. Made it back to trailhead. It's been a pretty nice little walk this day. I've had a couple encounters, as you can see in the video. So I'm gonna go over here. There's a little pavilion thing. I'm gonna sit down, take a break before I unpack and get in the car. So thanks again for coming along. Y'all be safe out there and follow the rules.